The main goal, at the moment, is to determine if there are added sugars in the barbecue sauce. To accomplish this, we will build the barbecue sauce formula based on this recipe. We will set the formula density to 35 grams per 30 milliliters. Next we will create a tabular nutrition facts panel. We will also create an ingredient statement. And finally, we will copy this information to a Microsoft Word report. We are ready to get started. This example starts in the Formula Development and Batching section. If you are not in that section, select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Click Formula Dev from the View group. Clear any existing formula by clicking the Clear Formula button. Click the Yes button to verify you wish to remove all ingredients and properties. All ingredients and properties have been removed. Click the OK button. Let's enter a formula name and ID for this formula. Click the Formula Name and ID box. In the window that appears, enter the formula name, barbecue sauce. Enter the formula ID of 1001. Click the OK button. The formula name and ID are now displayed in the formula name and ID box. We need to add the ingredients that will make up our formula. This table displays the names for the ingredients we will be using to build our formula. Click the Add Ingredients button. In the Add Ingredients window, select the ingredient that corresponds to tomato sauce and click the Add button. Notice that the tomato sauce ingredient now appears in the current formula list on the right side of the window. We will continue adding the ingredients displayed in the table. Now that all the ingredients have been added, close the Add Ingredients window. You should now see the added ingredients in the Formula Development section. Next, we will enter the recipe amounts for each ingredient, based on the values in this table. Select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Click Enter Recipe from the Formula group. In the Enter Recipe window, select tomato sauce. Enter 227 in the amount box. Select grams in the Select Units drop-down, and click the Update button. The updated values for the ingredients will be displayed in the list box. We will continue to enter the recipe amounts for each ingredient shown in the table. Now that all the ingredient amounts and units have been entered, click the OK button to close the recipe entry window. We now have a barbecue sauce formula. TechWizard calculated the weight % for each ingredient. The total price per pound and the total price per kilogram are displayed here. 30 milliliters of barbecue sauce weighs 35 grams. We will use this measurement to set the formula density. To set the density, select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Click Edit Formula Density from the Formula group. Ensure the Enter Density for Formula option is selected. Click the Density Converter button. The converter allows us to calculate the density based on our measured weight per volume. Enter 35 in the first amount text box. Select grams from the Select Weight Units dropdown. Enter 30 in the second amount text box. Select milliliters from the Select Volume Units dropdown. Click the Calculate button. Click the Update button. The updated formula density is shown here. Click the OK button to close the window. Click the Yes button to keep your changes. Before we continue, let's save the formula. Click the Save icon. Click the OK button after the file is saved. TechWizard has a number of options for creating reports. However, we wish to collect information for multiple formulas in a single Word document. This report will provide details on our progress today. Eventually, this Word document will be linked with the formula to make it easier to access. Let's create the Word document to hold our report. Open Microsoft Word. Select New. Select Blank Document. The menu in Microsoft Word is divided into tabs and groups. To demonstrate this, select the Home tab. Notice that the Home tab has the following groups: Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, Styles, and Editing. We will set the page layout to landscape, so that the information we copy from TechWizard will be easier to read. Select the Layout tab. Click Orientation in the Page Setup group. Select Landscape from the list. Next, we will set the page margins to narrow. The Layout tab should still be selected. Click Margins in the Page Setup group. Select Narrow from the drop-down. We will set the page numbering to appear in the middle, at the bottom of the page. Select the Insert tab. Click Insert Page Number from the Header and Footer group. Click the Page Number drop-down. Hover over the Bottom of Page option, and click Play Number 2. Click Close Header and Footer in the Close group. We will be adding the following details to the document for our fictitious company, Blandings Specialty Foods. At the top of the page enter, Blandings Specialty Foods. On the next line enter, Barbecue Sauce Reformulation. On the next line enter, Description. On the next line enter, Develop a barbecue sauce formula without added sugar. On the next line enter, Recipe Development. Hit the Enter key 10 times to enter 10 blank lines. This will provide room for the screenshots from TechWizard that we will be adding. And finally on the last line enter, Nutrition Facts. We will change the styles of the heading text to assist with navigating the document. Click the Home tab. Select Blandings Specialty Foods. Click Title in the Styles group. Select Barbecue Sauce Reformulation. Click Heading 1 in the Styles group. Set the following to Heading 1 as well, Description. Recipe Development. And Nutrition Facts. Open the navigation pane by clicking the View tab and checking Navigation pane in the Show group. Notice that the headings appear in the navigation pane. Clicking on a heading in the navigation pane moves us to that part of the document. Next we will copy our recipe in TechWizard and paste it in our report in Microsoft Word. Go back to TechWizard. Select the cells from reference number to the total row of the percent weight column. Select the Cell Edit tab. Click Copy Text from the Cell Edit group. This copies information in the selected cells without the background color. Go back to the Word document. Click on the line just below Recipe Development. Select the Paste drop-down in the Clipboard group of the Home tab. Click Picture in the Paste options. Above the newly pasted picture, add the heading, Barbecue Sauce Original Recipe. Set the style of the text to Heading 2, so it will appear in the navigation pane. Go back to TechWizard. We will add the recipe amounts to our report. Go to the Batching section of TechWizard by clicking the Batch button. Select the cells from Amount to the total row of the Production Unit column. Click the Cell Edit tab. Select Copy Text from the Cell Edit group. In the Word document, click the Paste drop-down in the Clipboard section. Click Picture in the Paste options. This pasted our batch information next to ingredients to give us details on the original recipe. Next we will create a nutrition facts label and place a copy of it in the Word document. In TechWizard, select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Click Create Nutrition Label from the Formula group. Click the Yes button when asked if you wish to continue. Click the OK button when the transfer is complete. Before we create the nutrition facts, we need to set the common household unit, the equivalent metric quantity, and the number of servings. Click the Common Household Unit Serving Size button. Enter 2 in the text box and click the OK button. Select tablespoons from the Units drop-down. Click the Equivalent Metric Quantity Serving Size button. Enter 30 in the text box, and click the OK button. Select milliliters from the Units drop-down. Click the Number of Servings button. Enter 14 in the text box and click the OK button. Notice that the calculated amount is 35 grams for our 30 milliliter serving size. This calculation was based on the formula U density that we entered after building the recipe. The serving size in grams is critical, because it is used to calculate nutrient amounts displayed on the label. Click the Label Options button. In the Label Options window, select the Tabular Label Type option. As you will see in a moment, we selected the tabular format to make a more efficient use of space in the Word document. Click the Apply button. The Nutrition Facts label is complete. Click the OK button. Click the Close button to close the Label Options window. The Barbecue Sauce Nutrition Facts panel is displayed. This answers our main question: are there added sugars in the barbecue sauce? The answer is yes. The amount of added sugars is displayed here. Let's copy the Nutrition Facts label and place it in the Word document. Select the Labeling tab. Click Copy from the Formula group, and select Tabular Label. In the Format Options window, select New Label Format, Picture Appearance on Screen, and Picture Format Bitmap. Click the OK button. Click OK when the prompt appears. In the Word document, click on Nutrition Facts in the navigation bar. This takes us to the Nutrition Facts section of the document. Click on the line just below the Nutrition Facts heading. Select the Paste drop-down in the Clipboard group. Click Picture in the Paste options. Above the newly pasted picture, add the heading, Barbecue Sauce Original Recipe. Set the style of the text to heading 2 so it will appear in the navigation pane. Next we will create an ingredient declaration for this formula. In TechWizard, click on the Labeling tab. Select Simple Declaration Editor from the View group. When the window appears, select the entire ingredient statement. Copy it by pressing the Ctrl key and the letter C on your keyboard. Close the window. In the Word document, enter a new line below a recently added Nutrition Facts panel. Click the Paste button in the Clipboard group. Let's format the Nutrition Facts panel, so the ingredient declaration will appear on the right. Right-click on the Nutrition Facts panel. Select Size and Position. The layout window appears. Change the height to 65%. This will automatically change the width to 65% too. Click on the Text Wrapping tab, and select Square. Click the OK button to close the layout window. The ingredient declaration is now on the right side of the Nutrition Facts panel. In TechWizard, select the Formula Dev and Batching tab. Click Formula Dev from the View group. This will prepare TechWizard for the next section.